Fall tops for women by Bluetime tops with a cowl neck and long sleeves rayon, and polyester loose pullover shirts for everyday wear. Machine with an imported pull-on closure wash. Lightweight pullover shirts, soft and comfortable long tunic shirts, and spandex and polyester. Fall fashion fashionable outfits for women, ladies, long sleeve color block tops, flowy swing elegant tops, cowl neck tunic tops with buttons, lightweight pullover sweatshirt with a tunic length that can be worn with jeans or leggings, a cowl neck, and a casual, loose fit. Long tops to conceal the midriff, appropriate for business casual work attire in the fall, winter, and spring. Occasion, casual, business attire for the office, vacation, a party, a weekend date, a night out, and exercise. Reference size, true to size. Select the size that you often wear. Cleaning advice, hand wash. Stretchy, loose fitting, striped, color blocked, drawstring sweatshirts for women are the only fit type available. This women's hoodie sweatshirt combines comfort and fashion. The main components of this pullover are its well-made and high-quality construction. The fabric is light, soft, and elastic, and when combined with the loose fit, it provides all-day comfort. This cozy sweatshirt adds style to your cold-weather wardrobe with its long sleeves and attached hood. Despite having a basic and straightforward appearance overall, this women's pullover stands out because to the mix of striped print and color blocking, which completes the fashionable design. Easy fashion blend. For a simple outfit, team with skinny jeans and ankle boots or with leggings and sneakers when wearing something pleasant and comfortable. This is a great option for everyday wear, the gym, sports, shopping, home, hanging out, the beach, or a trip. Your pleasure is our goal at GOLDPKF, and you'll appreciate our exceptional after-sales support. Give us a chance, and you'll have more success.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.